Did you know that military training enhances skills like communication, teamwork, and adaptability? It's not just about physical strength and combat. Military training instills invaluable soft skills. These skills help in everyday life. Clear communication is crucial. Teamwork is essential. Adaptability is key. These skills are valuable in any workplace. The importance of soft skills is often underestimated. People may think technical skills are more important, especially in specialized fields. However, soft skills are what set individuals apart. They are the foundation for building strong relationships, effective leadership, and personal resilience. Military training implicitly understands this. It recognizes that technical proficiency is only one part of the equation. The ability to lead, communicate, and adapt under pressure is what truly makes a difference. These skills are not just for soldiers, they are for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a parent, these skills are essential for navigating the complexities of life. The challenge lies in recognizing the value of these skills and actively seeking opportunities to develop them. Many people go through life without realizing the untapped potential within them. Military training, in many ways, unlocks this potential. It provides a structured environment where these skills are not just taught, but lived and breathed. The benefits extend far beyond the military context. These skills translate to stronger relationships, more fulfilling careers, and a greater sense of purpose. They empower individuals to become not just better soldiers, but better human beings. The real-world applications of military-honed soft skills are vast and varied. Take leadership, for example. In the military, leadership is not about rank, but about responsibility. It's about inspiring and motivating others to achieve a common goal, even in the face of adversity. This translates directly to the business world. A manager who can effectively communicate, inspire their team, and adapt to changing market conditions is an invaluable asset. They possess the skills to navigate challenges, build strong relationships, and drive their team towards success. Discipline is another key skill instilled in military training. Soldiers operate within a strict structure, adhering to rules and regulations. This discipline translates into strong work ethic, time management skills, and a commitment to excellence. These qualities are highly sought after in any profession. Problem solving is another area where military training shines. Soldiers are constantly presented with complex problems that require creative solutions. They learn to assess situations quickly, weigh options, and make decisions under pressure. This ability to think critically and solve problems effectively is essential in any field, from engineering to healthcare to education.